Welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. I'm not sure what I'm going to get done today. I do have a few things on task. I got to do something with this red cedar log. It's been laying in front of the sawmill for about 3 weeks, and I keep on putting it off and putting logs in front of it. But today I'm going to have to do something with it. It's not a very good saw log. The diameter is pretty small, guys. Down here on the operator's side, it's 15 inches, but don't let that fool you. It's flared out down here at the bottom. On the other side down there, it's probably 9 inches. A lot of taper in this log, and it's 10 feet long. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I think I'm just going to square it up and maybe do a 6x6 out of it and call it done. I don't know. But before we start on this log, I've got to get some firewood together. Dad's coming over to grab some slabs. He's been burning those in his fireplace. And that will make a lot of you guys happy that fuss at me every time I take stuff to the burn pile. So he'll be here in a few minutes. We'll get him loaded up and taken care of. And I've also got to take the tractor back down to the right-of-way coming into the farm. I've got about 3 little, I guess you would call them speed bumps, where I didn't spread the gravel out evenly. I need to go take care of that. A lot of people also commented on that video a few weeks ago about the box blade. I should have used a land plane. Well, I don't have a land plane, so therefore I use a box blade. So if anybody wants to buy me one, I'll take one. But right now, box blade's all I got, so that's what we'll have to use. But it's about 1:15, so I think I'll go ahead and start on this log. When he gets here, we'll just stop and load up his truck with some of these slabs. On the sawmill today, I'm running the Silvertip Turbo 7. I get those from Joe, Maine down in Georgia. If you're interested in those blades, his cell phone number is down in the video description. Give him a call. So let's warm up this yam more, guys, and see what we got inside this cedar. This is Eastern Red Cedar, and a lot of people will fuss at me now and call it juniper. It really don't matter. Everybody knows what it is. So in Northeast Tennessee, we call it red cedar. If you call it juniper where you live, more power to you. But that's just what we call it here, guys. Hang in there. It's going to be a good day. Got a lot to do. Oh yeah, 2 more things here, friends. We'll get started. Number 1, I want to thank everybody on Patreon for supporting me here on the channel. I really appreciate it. And number 2, I'm still working through these cameras and trying to get them set up right. So hopefully today's quality is a lot better than the last video. I'm having focus issues on this one camera, but I'm looking at the viewfinder and I think I might have got it figured out. Famous last words, it may look terrible, who knows, but we'll get there, guys, so hang in there with me. friends, we got that cedar finished up. It didn't turn out too bad. I got a decent 6x6 out of it. Not the best 6x6 in the world, but not too bad for a terrible log. Now we're gonna jump in the tractor and head down here to the right of way and get rid of these speed bumps.